quick question. Do you guys use Linktree? Because it's highly unnecessary. I'm going to show you in this video how to make a Linktree on Squarespace. This is the best free way to have a platform that has a link in your bio, but also directs people directly to your website. Why is that important? So many reasons, including SEO, getting more traffic to your website. Google all of a sudden says, oh, that website is thumbs up and moves you up in rankings. There's so many reasons to be using the Linktree or the link in bio instead of the Linktree. If you have a WordPress site, I will link that below. I showed a tutorial on how to do this on a WordPress site. But this is all about Squarespace. I know how wonderful Instagram can be and that you only get one little link, and that little link in bio needs to direct everyone to all the different things that you talk about, from your blog post to your YouTube video to your Facebook group to your services, who knows what. But the best choice is to have them landing on a free platform that is also more customizable than Linktree and is better for your SEO. So let's go into this a little bit more. Why would you want to have a link in bio that is created on Squarespace? It just seems like extra work, right? I mentioned SEO, but also you can get it to be customizable to look exactly with your brand colors, and it's really not that hard. Also, you can track your links bio stats. So you can see how many people are actually coming to your platform, your social media, Instagram, to your website, and how much of that traffic that goes to your website is actually from social media. And this is really important because you can see your most, what should you be delving more into? Are people finding you on Google? Are they finding you on Instagram? Are they just searching your URL? This is all done on Google Analytics, but you can also connect that with Squarespace. So if you end up connecting the two, you can just look at your analytics on the Squarespace end. I will say that sometimes they're not, the Squarespace analytics and Google Analytics aren't super aligned. They're pretty close, but if you really want to have the raw data, just get Google Analytics. It's free and it's really easy. Another reason is you have only one platform to manage all your site traffic. So if you have a third-party software and it's down and you're not in there changing your links every single day, it could be several days or hours before you notice that things need to be updated. While in Instagram, followers are frustrated and confused that your link you promised them isn't working, since you're only allowed one link in your profile. So if you have this all on Squarespace, you can link all the things that you talk about all the time, and it's just a lot easier. So I will teach you now how to go ahead and create a link tree on your Squarespace page. Link page. And then make sure to title it Instagram or something like that, because that will then allow the backslash to be /Instagram, or you could have link in bio or whatever. You can see right here, this is where you change the slug. All right, so now we have this blank page. What do you do with it? Well, the first step would be to add the buttons that you want to direct people to. You edit the page content, and you could write you want to write something, you can, you don't need to. And then you can go ahead and add a button, and it should all be with your colors and everything if you've set that up in site styles, which I have. We'll use a medium button, and then I will say, for services, click through URL, tongue twister. You can just type in services and save that. Add another button and do homepage. We could do If you had like a LinkedIn you wanted to connect them to, you could do that. You put the URL there, just the normal URL. And then what we want to do next, once you have all your buttons set up, not sure why that didn't add LinkedIn, but we'll check it out later, is you want to figure out the code of this page, because I don't want all of the menu up there. You can go like this and see what it looks like. I don't want that menu up there. I just want the basic like Linktree look, I guess. So the way that you do that is you would go to a new browser and type in the URL. Make sure you use that // Instagram or whatever it is. And while that's loading, I'm going to come back over to here and go Design, Custom CSS, and then paste in this code, which I will link it below. So I have this custom code that's disappearing. And what we need to figure out is the number, the collection number. So to figure out the collection number of this page, you can download some like extensions that will tell you, but we're just going to do this. And then if you right click and you go to view page source, and then Command F for find, and you want to do the quotation, title, quotation. And it will lead you to the title, the Instagram, and then the ID number. This is the number that you're wanting to copy. And then go back to your CSS, delete that number goes here, and add in the that title. So that's all there is to it. I hope you guys found this easy, simple, achievable, and that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and that will tell me that you want more Squarespace videos. And if you have any other suggestions for website or entrepreneur tips you want, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to help you with your business.